Welcome to High Tech Academy, the ultimate destination for learning basic computer skills and online earning courses in Karor Lal Isan. We offer a variety of courses to suit your needs and interests, such as web development, graphic designing, and now we are excited to announce our new course, Whiteboard Animation. Whiteboard Animation is a skill that allows you to create engaging and effective videos using hand-drawn images and text. It is a powerful way to communicate your message, explain your idea, or tell your story. Whiteboard animation is a skill that anyone can learn easily and quickly. You don't need any design or animation skills. All you need is a computer, a software, just your creativity and imagination. In this course, you will learn everything you need to know to create amazing whiteboard animations, such as the basics of whiteboard animation and video editing, how to plan, script, record, and edit your videos, how to add voiceovers, music, and sound effects, how to publish and share your videos online. By the end of this course, you will have a valuable skill that you can use for various purposes. You will be able to create engaging and effective videos for yourself or your clients. You will also be able to use your whiteboard animations to enhance your personal or professional goals. Whiteboard animation has many applications and benefits, such as education. You can use whiteboard animation to teach your students or audience in a clear and memorable way. Marketing. You can use whiteboard animation to promote your products or services, attract customers, and increase sales. Entertainment. You can use whiteboard animation to make videos for yourself, for others, or for social media platforms, and entertain your viewers with your creativity and humor. Earning. You can use whiteboard animation to make money by offering your services as a whiteboard animator on various platforms such as Fiverr, Upwork, Freelancer, etc. You can also create your own website or social media page to showcase your work and get clients. Don't miss this opportunity. Enroll in our course today and start creating awesome whiteboard animations. Contact us or visit our academy for a 3-day free trial. We are located at Ward number 7 near Tamir Graphics in Karor Lal Isan. We look forward to seeing you soon at High Tech Academy. Thank you for your interest and attention.